In front of me is Xiaomi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. First of all, you need to find and open a recorder app. Then tap on this gear at the top right corner to check out and manage all of those options however you want to. When you're finished, come back. Then click on this button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. If you want to pause it or unpause it, click on this button on the right. To change your language, click on language here and pick yours. If you want to disable visible AI speech recognition, click on this X at the top right corner. Then, to start recording again, tap on pause button. To add a photo mark, click on camera 1 and choose while using the app. Then click on it again, snap a photo, and to discard it, use this X. To add it, tap on this check mark. You can also add standard mark by clicking on it above the track. To end and save your recording, click on middle button again. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it and tap on Allow. If you want to manage it, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Manage those options at the bottom or go back and hold it to use all of those, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!